Hey everyone, welcome back to Lens on Trains and to episode 22 of my Building My First HO Scale Diorama series. In today's shorter episode, I'm focusing on a small upgrade that will make a noticeable difference to the layout. I'm finally working on the left corner of the diorama, which until now has been looking a bit empty. If you watched the recent unboxing on the channel, you might remember the set of trees I showed there. Today I'm using those to start adding some life and greenery to this corner of the layout. The plan is simple. I'm planting 10 trees of different sizes, creating a small wooded area right next to the tracks. And one of the reasons I chose this spot is because it sits right in front of the painted forest scenery from the background I added in the previous episode. By placing the trees here, I can visually blend the real 3D scenery with the printed trees in the background, which helps create a much smoother and more natural transition. The trees themselves actually look pretty realistic, and they are also very easy to install. All it takes is a small amount of glue and they can be fixed directly into the terrain. I'm spacing them out a bit and mixing the different heights so the area doesn't look too uniform. In nature, forests are rarely perfectly organized, so a bit of randomness helps the scene feel more believable. Even with just these 10 trees, you can already see how this corner starts to feel more complete. But this is definitely not the final step for this section of the diorama. In the future, I'm planning to add more greenery here, things like additional trees, bushes, ground cover, and other small details. The goal is to slowly turn this area into a small dense forest, which will make the transition between the layout and the background scenery even more convincing. For now though, this is a really nice improvement compared to the empty corner we had before. And of course, while the scenery is taking shape, the trains keep running smoothly, which is always the best way to enjoy the progress. Thanks for watching this quick update on the diorama build, and I'll see you in the next episode of my Building My First HO Scale Diorama here on Lens on Trains.